One thing I asked the web developer guys to do is if they could give me a page where we can put all of the nifty adapter stuff, the open source type things. I think there's going to be a lot of them. We keep coming up with all this great feedback and all these really easy to make adapter pieces that give you more flexibility with the design. We may eventually make all those parts, but I think it's really easy if we want to just put those online. And if you have a 3D printer, or if there's some industrious person out there that wants to make these parts and make them available, obviously that'd be great too.
One of the things that came up this week is some people don't realize it has front-facing rod holders. Some people don't. Some people love them. But one opportunity I think we have, this is some really key real estate right here. And what I'm looking at doing, so a real quick, easy part for me to make was basically just a block off plate, right? Let's say you don't want a rod holder on this side. You just want one on the left. I made this plate where it's got a central mount hole in it. So you'd be able to put a lock and load base, tack lock and load base there. And then you can put whatever you want on there, right? So now all of a sudden you can have your phone holder here. You can mount your fish finder on a swing arm off of this thing, all sorts of different stuff. Or you could do, if you like to troll, you could then use this with a lock and load mount with one of the nice adjustable hang off the side type rod holders too. So it's going to give you a lot of flexibility. And this is just a really simple flat cut plate. And I'll make all this CAD available. But there's already 3 mount holes here for the rod holder itself. One other nice thing about this is we have our big access plates right here for the panels. If you pull that panel off, you'll be able to go ahead and run bolts all the way through these holes and through the hull, and then put some eye-lock nuts and washers on the backside. So you've got a really solid structural mount to this, because you wouldn't want to just put regular screws into this, especially if you've got a long arm and a bunch of weight mount on it. You wouldn't want this thing pulling free.